going to Jiangbin Harbor, I took bus 102, which was a 30-minute ride. I would suggest taking a cab instead to save time. Upon arriving at Jiangbin Harbor, you need to walk to Heping Bridge to see the panoramic view of the colorful houses. I spent over 30 minutes there but had to head back to Keelung Station since I was already behind my planned itinerary. On the way back, I walked through Keelung Maritime Plaza, which is a nice spot to relax if only the sun hadn't been so intense. Since I was already running out of time, I just grabbed a quick lunch from 7-Eleven at Keelung train station. I wasn't able to take videos on the way to Keelung to Kintiangan Grassland because I was already in a rush. The route requires taking a local train from Keelung to Taipei Main Station, then MRT Red Line to Diantan Station, followed by 2 buses to reach the grasslands. However, the timing no longer worked due to limited bus schedules, so I decided to head instead to Airport Alley near Songsan Airport.